Hey folks, this is EJS from Thrivality, and today I'm going to demonstrate on how to make a blood orange colostrum smoothie with A2 milk, heavy cream, liposomal vitamin C, 2 egg yolks, plain colostrum, and blood orange colostrum, a mix of the two. All right, so for those unfamiliar, colostrum is nature's first food. So when a mammal is born, the mother, for the first 24 to 36 hours, produces this colostrum, which seals the gut and stimulates the immune system. So colostrum, and the Armra Colostrum in particular, has over 400 bioactive nutrients that strengthens not only the barrier in the gut, but in the brain, in your mouth, um, in your eyes, any place where there is a barrier interfacing and protecting you from your environment. Now, the challenge in today's environment is we have so many stressors, chemicals, pesticides, herbicides that stress that barrier. So it's really critical, not only from a health perspective, but also from an anti-aging point of view, to reseal those guts. As a matter of fact, it's probably one of the first things I suggest when working with a client, that they get on colostrum. And I often recommend the Armra because it seals those barriers, and it's really hard to heal the rest of the body if it's constantly being pushed through the barrier by things in the external environment that are not healthy for the body. You need that barrier to be sealed so healing can take place elsewhere. It's also one of the top 5 things in my anti-aging stack. I often get people remarking how, clear my skin is and amazing it looks. And colostrum's in my top 5 things. So in summary, colostrum strengthens the immune system. It supports sleep, increases energy, it boosts metabolism, improves mood and focus, and enhances skin radiance. Okay, so on to the demo. So I have raw unpasteurized A2 milk here, and I'm going to get a spatula and mix in the A2 cream. This is unprocessed heavy cream. Liposomal vitamin C to give it a little more flavor and that shot of very skin and health supporting vitamin C. The 2 egg yolks. And then I'm going to add the colostrum. So this is the plain Armra Colostrum, and I typically use 3 heaping scoops. So 1, 2, 3. And then I'll use about a half a scoop of the Armra Colostrum blood orange flavor. It really is amazing. I don't like a full scoop. It makes it a little too sweet. But just about half a scoop will do it. All right. And then I'm going to take a high-powered frother, and we're going to go ahead and blend this thing, and then we're going to pour it over ice. Sometimes, depending on how full your container is, you may have to blend this slowly so you don't spill it. Oop. All right. And now I put cubed ice in the glass. I'm going to pour it over ice, and this is absolutely over the top delicious. Great way to start a day. I typically have mine around 9:30, 10 o'clock each day. So here's to colostrum. Great health. Be vibrant, vital, and alive. Thanks for listening. That's amazing.